When growing basil, one problem you might face is having too much basil, which is a really good problem to have. So here are 5 ways you can use fresh cut basil. Number 1. Basil Infused Olive Oil. Add 1/4 cup of olive oil to a blender. Add 1 cup of basil and blend the mixture well. Transfer the mixture to a saucepan and simmer the mixture on low heat for 5 minutes. Strain the mixture into a glass jar. The Basil Infused Olive Oil is ready. Use within 1 week or refrigerate for a longer shelf life. Number 2. Bruschetta. Slice pieces of a sourdough bread or baguette. Drizzle the bread slices with olive oil on both sides. Place mozzarella cheese on the slices. Add basil leaves on top of the cheese and then add slices of tomato. Sprinkle pepper and salt to taste. Finally, garnish the top with more fresh basil leaves. Transfer to a baking tray, place it in the oven, and set the oven to 350 degrees for 5 minutes. Delicious bruschetta is ready and infused with flavor of fresh basil. Number 3. Basil Chutney. To make basil chutney, add half a cup of chopped onion and 2 chopped green chilies to a chopper. Add 1 cup of fresh basil and half a cup of fresh cilantro. Add 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Squeeze half a lime into the chopper. Chop the mixture well. Check for consistency. Once the mixture is coarsely chopped, the chutney is ready. Pour the chutney into a bowl and enjoy with your favorite food. Number 4. Basil Pesto. To make pesto, wash 3 cups of fresh basil. Add 2 tablespoons of sun-dried tomatoes to a chopper. Add 2 cloves of roasted garlic, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1/4 cup of olive oil. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper and salt to taste. Now add 3 cups of fresh basil to the chopper. Blend the mixture really well. The mixture should be finely chopped and creamy. Serve the pesto in a bowl and enjoy with your favorite food. Number 5. Add fresh basil to pasta. Roll the leaves of fresh basil and then finely chop the leaves. Add freshly chopped leaves of basil to the pasta of your choice. Fresh basil pairs really well with pasta made with pesto sauce. I really hope you enjoyed these 5 uses of fresh basil. Hit that subscribe button and I will see you in another video.